I really liked my repertoire for Tanwai's 160th anniversary celebration. It was a mix of upbeat pop songs and power ballads. I was also excited to sing some of my original hits because they were rearranged by our musical director, Sir Homer Flores. Isang malaking inspirasyon talaga para sa akin kapag nagkakaroon ako ng pagkakataong makatrabaho ang ilan sa pinakamahusay sa music industry.
I-perform namin ni Bamboo yung Get Lucky sa Treasure. Ginawa namin siya the first time sa isang event naman. Yeah. So ito yung second time.
I wanted to keep her eyes dramatic, pero hindi siya yung smoky na talagang sobrang dark. She had to sing on stage, so I had to make sure na, you know, medyo hindi naman mawawash out yung eyes niya. And then everything else is very fresh looking pa rin, para hindi naman siya mukhang heavy masyado because nga dark siya.
We did a couple songs, 2 duets. Get Lucky at Treasure. It was a really powerful song, so it was fun. I'm sure it was fun to watch. It was fun to watch.
Ng medley si Sir Homer Flores ng hits ko po, yung mga songs ko, yung To Love You More, yung Could You Say You Love Me.
Mas ballad, mas puso. Kasi yung original, di ba, parang yung tempo tuloy-tuloy. Ito ginawa namin parang yung free timing. So ginawa namin slow muna, na kailangan pa rin tumaas. Kasi yung pyesa, kailangan talaga tumaas. Siya hanggang ngayon eh. Siyempre magaling. Magaling talaga lalo na nag-improve. Lalo pa siya nag-improve. Kasi siyempre nagiging matured na, di ba?
Amazes me because parang every performance performance of Sarah talaga, parang it's always breathtaking. Kasi, alam mo naman si Sarah, todo talaga yan eh. Parang wala siyang pinipili kahit saan, she always gives her best.
Yung rearrangement ng mga songs ko, maganda. Tamang-tama lang at Sir Homer nakikinig siya no sa artist kung ano yung gusto ng artist. So kumbaga may collaboration na rin. So salamat po.
Much younger sa akin yan si Sarah. She always inspires me kasi, yun nga, she's very passionate about what she does. Kahit everyday kumakanta siya, parang it's always her first time. Talagang yung ganon. So, sobrang galing niya.